Hello and welcome back, friends. Today we have the largest tree growing fruit in the world. Guess what? Yes, it's a jackfruit. A jackfruit can reach up to 100 pounds. From a single tree we can get from 50 to 200 pounds of jackfruit. Within 3 to 4 years from the seed grown plant it starts bearing fruits, and a plant can live from 60 to 100 years if it gets favorable environmental conditions. So if you plant few jackfruits throughout your life, you don't have to worry about jackfruit anymore. So let's learn how we can grow jackfruit at our home. So here I have collected few jackfruit seeds, taking coco peat as a growing medium and putting those seeds in this seeding tray. You can take any sort of tray to grow the seeds, and putting the seeding tray inside the plastic so that it will create a greenhouse effect and the seed will sprout faster. I'm cutting the plastic bottle to grow those seedlings in this bottle. You can take pretty much any sort of gardening pot. Loose soil is best to grow the roots. I'm taking peat moss perlite 50% and 50% garden soil. That works best for me. So after 60 days you can see they have grown this much. So they grow very slow, but still I'm not disappointed by the growth. I still got few of the jackfruit sprouts. So you can see the root is pretty much healthy. The sprout is also pretty much doing well. The seed is intact. So just plant them in the new pots and they are just ready to be grown for a few period of time. You can see another jackfruit seed. It has good sprouts and good roots in them, and just transplant them in the bigger pot. The bigger the pot, the plants will grow more taller and more healthier. It is for sure all of your seeds will not sprout, some of them will die. So checking after 90 days, these seedlings were kept in the partial sunlight and watering them in alternate day basis. Since they have limited space, so they didn't grow so faster, but still you can see pretty much a number of leaves and the plants are pretty healthy. So they are really doing well over here as a new plant, and I'm just leaving them like that. Checking after 110 days, you can see few more numbers of leaves have grown. The plants have not grown so vigorously because they don't have enough space. Still these plants are pretty much doing well in these pots. So checking after 5 months, and this will be my final update. You can see a few more numbers of leaves have grown. The larger the space, the plant grow more taller. In the beginning, while after the sprouting, if you just put the seedlings into the ground, they might have grown much taller than this one. Just for demonstration purpose, I have grown them in this different kinds of pot over here. So this is just the juice bottle, but still, you can see the roots are growing pretty much fine, and the plant is also very healthy so far. And in another there is just a cup, and still in this cup also this plant is really doing well. So I would like to say that they're pretty much easy to grow. They don't give much problem while growing, so one can grow easily at their home. One thing very important is that they don't like the frost. They don't do well in the frost. They really do well in the tropical and subtropical climate. And US zone 9 to zone 11 is mostly favorable for growing jackfruit. So in this way you can grow jackfruit at your home in a very easy way. If you have any queries, please comment below. I hope you like my video. Please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.